Hello, my name is Elizabeth Olutoye. I'm in the ADN Bridge program. I'm currently an LPN, so I'm here to get my RN. I chose Galen after I did my research. I know they have a collaboration with one of the most prestigious hospitals, which is the HCA Healthcare hospitals. And just knowing that I was going to get the best clinical experience, my education was going to go far into me just being hands-on. The lab is the best. It's the best. Like, the setting is like a hospital, and then the human-like patients in there just gives you the confidence with your nursing skills. I'm telling you, like, just coming into campus, like, the scenery is just so serene. Like, it's just so beautiful. Like, it is calm. The atmosphere is so warm. It's just everything you wanted when you know you're gonna come to Galen.